everyone, my name is Sidney F.C.R and welcome to another review video. In this video of today we're going to take a close look at this new Manchester City 2023-2024 home jersey. This one is the special one, the Champions Edition. So the Champions font in gold, as well as the Premier League patch in gold. I bought this one from Minejerseys.cm. Check the link in the description down below to find out who the seller is. Watch till the end to see how this jersey fits me. This one is the fan version. So now, let's have a closer look.
30 baseline.
So this is new Manchester City home jersey, the Champions Edition. Let me know what you guys think. I think this one is really cool. The home jersey, the design of itself, it's amazing. But the golden font and the golden Premier League patch makes it way better. In the next tip I will show you how the jersey fits me. Once again, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.